Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial brought to you by Reallusion, hosted by iClone 3D. I'm Trista Ross, and today we're going to be looking at how to loop animation. We're going to look at how we can loop a running animation and just have that looped throughout the whole scene, or however long we want that looped for in our timeline. So it's a very simple process actually with iClone 8, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So if we play the scene we've got here in front of us, you can see we've got a character running across the scene. And what we're going to do is we're just going to firstly bring up our motion direction control here. And you can see the line is kind of offset. So we just want that to be a perfect straight line. So to do that, we're just going to change the Z-axis to 0 here, and that will then bring that into a nice straight line. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to find the point where we want to start to loop this running animation. So we're just going to go to the timeline to the exact point that we want to first start the loop. So we'll start from here, and we're going to break this clip. And then we're going to go down to the end position where we want to kind of end the loop so we can then begin the loop process. So we'll just kind of match that last sequence and we'll get this part here. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to delete this part here on the right because we don't actually need this right now. So we'll just get rid of that. And then what we're going to do is, it's very simple from here on out actually. Firstly, we're just going to copy and paste this clip here below. And when we've got that copied in our timeline, you can see at the kind of connecting points, there is a little bit of foot sliding that we can see here. It's pretty evident. So we just want to really quickly fix this up. And there's a quick way to do it. We just right click on the motion and then we're going to align the right toe. And that's going to perfectly kind of get that in balance, and you're not going to get any more foot sliding as you can see here. Then we're just going to blend and add some blend to that and just blend that over the other motion just to smoothen it out a little bit. And then what we can do is we can just play that back and you can see that looks really, really cool. And it really is that simple to do. Then we can use this little function over here. This little button will set start and end frame to the current selection. So we can just click that and that will set the start and the end frames. And now all we're going to do is merge the clips together very quickly, and we can break them and delete this part here. And then we can just drag on our clip and we can extend that for as long as we want down our timeline. And if we play that back, you'll see that loops perfectly. So it really is a very quick and very simple process. Really hope that helps. And really hope to see you guys again soon for another tutorial.